Alright guys, welcome back to another Trend Ground video. I'm Yaken here hosting today's first hands-on experience on the OPPO Find N, OPPO Air Glass and the OPPO Retractable Camera. Please do take note, this is just a hands-on experience, not a full review. We just check out what is all about the device itself. Okay, so starting off with the OPPO Air Glass first. Okay, so the OPPO Air Glass is China exclusive, and if you buy the glass itself in China, okay, you will be getting the OPPO Air Glass and a spectacle frame for attaching the OPPO Air Glass. Okay, yes, the OPPO Air Glass needs to attach on a separate spectacles. All right, so you do need to take note on that. It don't operate by just like hanging on to one of the ears. Okay, I'm not sure whether it can operate or not, but they told me in the product, yeah, they will be providing these two things for you. Over on the projection on the OPPO Air Glass, I do feel that it's a little bit awkward for me. Okay, maybe I'm not used to the device yet. But for me, somehow I just feel like it's very awkward a little bit to use it. Okay, so certainly I do hope that OPPO can fine tune more on the UI as well. Okay, because at the moment it's still in its very infancy stage. Okay, do really want to see OPPO keep developing on their Air Glass, and let's see when are they going to launch the global version as well. I have tried the swipe function as well. Quite accurate. I didn't manage to get any like force swipe or anything. Really works well. But the rest of the features I didn't really try it. Yeah, so basically that's all I can report on the OPPO Air Glass itself. And hopefully we'll see for the global version, okay? And again, China exclusive only. Now let's go to the OPPO Find N. Okay, so OPPO Find N is OPPO's first foldable smartphone, okay, and it is another China exclusive device. Okay, however, this device that is being demo on the event, it has Google Play Store. So I think if OPPO decided maybe to, maybe want to release a little bit units for the global market, yeah, I think it's ready for it. Uh, okay, general impression when I'm hands-on experience on the device, I would say the device is quite a little bit weighted. Okay, it's a little bit heavy, and specification wise, I can tell you that the device is powered by Snapdragon 888. I couldn't tell you the performance, battery life, and so on because I do not have the review unit. So don't ask me whether I have any review units for all the three devices right now. Okay, so back to the foldable device. The foldable screen not bad to be honest. Yeah, you don't really see any creases on there, which I'm quite happy to announce that to the audiences. Really not bad. But again, there's not much apps is in there, and I really can't try to push its performance for you guys to see. Right? Basically, not bad. Seriously, the device not bad. Okay, but China exclusive, we have to wait for the global version. And for the cameras, it has 50 megapixel main camera shooter with ultra wide and a 2 times telephoto lens, and you have two selfie cameras, one on the outer display, one on the foldable display. Okay, the foldable display is using a punch hole, which looks quite good to be honest. It doesn't really obstructing the view because they flush it to the top left corner. Not bad, not bad. Good move by OPPO to be honest. But camera performance I can't tell you as well because can't really do much with the hands-on experience. So happy to report that it's quite convincing, and the device do feel very premium build. Okay. So that's all for the OPPO Find N. Now for the last product is the OPPO Retractable Camera. So this device is still, I think they are still in the prototype stage. Okay, OPPO say it is waterproof. It provides 2x zoom. What else? It's using the latest Sony sensor as well. Okay, I have tried it, and I look at the camera UI, and if you pinch zoom the camera, the main camera, yeah, the retractable camera don't work. Yeah, so you need to go to another mode. You need to press the I think it's the R mode something. So when you press the R mode, then the motor will start popping out the camera itself. So yeah, I still feel it's like kind of need refinement. It still needs the refinement, because I was expecting like the motorized camera, all right, it will like automatically push out a little bit when we are doing pinch zoom. Unfortunately, no, it doesn't do that. So you need to go to the mode, R mode, and then it will just pop 2x zoom for you. Photo qualities, I can't comment. I didn't really take pictures. But let's see whether this retractable camera will be making its way to the OPPO Find X series. Because they didn't really mention it. They just show us. Okay, hopefully, I would love to see the technology being put on the OPPO Find X series. Okay guys, so basically that's it for the devices hands-on experience I could explain to you. They also highlighted on the OPPO's Marry Silicon X processor as well. I don't think I want to go too in-depth on that one, because that chip will be appearing on the next OPPO Find series. Which model is it? I don't know. We gotta stay tuned for OPPO's announcement. Okay? Alright guys, so that's all for the video. Hopefully you guys love it. Thanks for supporting as well. If you're still new to the YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe Trendground's YouTube channel, and follow us on social media as well. We are on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram as well. Alright, so that's all guys for this video. If you do like it, give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next content.